Roomba just straight up betrayed me. Like full-on poop smear apocalypse. I bounced out for a quick run, set the Roomba to do its thing thinking, nice clean floors when I get back. Came back to man. I wish I had a hazmat suit. Picture this, cat box disaster, right? Mr. Fluffernutter, my cat, went full Picasso in there. Like a real masterpiece of, well, you get it. Then the Roomba, that little disc of doom, decided to help. I thought it was supposed to clean? It's like it turned my apartment into a bioweapon testing ground. Seriously, every single surface. Brown. Stinky. I checked the cams hoping it was a bad dream. Nope. Fluffernutter's just chilling, licking his paws like he's won the lottery. I've tried paper towels, I've tried everything. The smell? It's in my soul now. I'm just sitting here, covered in stuff, wondering if I should just move. That Roomba? Is going in the garbage. Period. I'm not even bothering with the recycling bin. Straight to landfill.